Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check who has access to your Netflix account. So to do that, you want to go ahead and sign into your Netflix account and preferably do this on your computer. Once you sign in, hover over account and hover over the profile on the upper right hand side and click on account. Now scroll down under this section where is your overview, and you will be able to see few things. You'll be able to check the connected devices. Click on that, manage access and devices, and you will be able to see all the devices connected to your account. So if you find any devices that you are not familiar with, go ahead and sign those out. You can click on show more to see all the devices. So I recommend that if you see the see more button, click on it, scroll down so that you can see all the devices, and any devices that you don't know, you want to remove them all. I also recommend that if you see this as a common trend, go ahead and change your password to boost up your security. So you can simply click and change password directly from here. Now, the next thing that you want to do, guys, is you want to go down to where it says profiles on the left side, and any profile that you don't know, go ahead and delete them. You can simply click on any profile. Let's say, for example, this one, scroll down towards the bottom and you will find delete profile. Click on delete profile, and that's all that you have to do. The next thing that you want to do for any existing profile that you have and you want to keep, open those profile and simply choose profile lock and click and create a new profile lock. This is going to create a 4-digit pin, and once you set that pin, no one can access those profile without the pin. So you keep that private, and so even if someone have access to your Netflix account, which after you change your password, they will not be able to log in if you don't give them. But if you don't change your password, they will still not be able to access the Netflix profile because you added a pin there. So you will be the only person who can provide that to the person who you trust. So again, you change your password, you delete, you sign out of those unfamiliar devices, and you also add a pin lock on any profile that you have there that you wish to add the pin lock to. And that's all that you have to do, guys.